for stopping by on my channel. If it's the first time that you're here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you like what you see. If you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping by once more. So today's video, I'm going to discuss how I've gotten over frustration with my long 4C natural hair. Okay, so the topic of the video is my second big chop, 2019. So around October last year, I made a decision that I was gonna cut off my hair, just cut it all completely, big chop. It was gonna be on March 23, 2019. I even set a reminder on my calendar on my phone. Why March 23 was because March 22nd was one of my very good friend's wedding, and I was going to be a bridesmaid and I wanted to use my hair. October, I was super duper frustrated, probably even September already, because hair was just a lot. It took forever to do, and life was stressful, school, exam preparation and all of that. I just felt like, you know, the last thing I wanted to worry about was my hair. So anyway, I was in the midst of the Just My Hair challenge at the same time, because I was like, if I'm gonna cut it off, I might as well have fun, right? Before I get rid of it completely. You guys have seen in my previous video the different hairstyles that I did. So yeah, March 22 came and went. That is the day of the wedding. I had a cute updo, insert picture here somewhere, and then my alarm rang March 23 for me to cut my hair. But anyway, I'd been discussing this with a lot of different people, you know, but a lot of people were like, no, do not cut your hair. Do not cut your hair, especially mother dearest. So March 23 came, but I realized by that time I was not nearly as frustrated with my hair as I had been at the time that I made the decision. So what have I learned in the last 6-7 months of having my hair out? One is actually, I think, basically accepting what it is. Natural hair is not relaxed hair. I think for me, as much as I've been natural and I know how to care for my hair, sometimes there was always this comparison with how much quicker and easier it would have been to do if it was relaxed. But, you know, just trying to throw that memory out of my mind and realize that natural hair is its own beautiful thing. No need to compare. That was the major thing. Then two, learning what my hair likes in terms of management. So because of watching people's videos, you know, people are able to do their hair at one big go and stuff, and I try that, or, you know, even things like washing their hair in 4 big sections, and I try that and my hair would just not like it. I went back to things that works for me. So for my hair, I know, like, I need to wash it in 16 sections. So it's a lot of sections, but it's the easiest way to avoid frustration because I can actually tackle the individual strands. I don't know how to explain it, but I have a lot of individual strands. So when I have one big section, I'm not able to get through to the different strands themselves, right? I also tried things like finger detangling exclusively, and I know I tried it again previously before, but I know it's not for me. So I need to have a tool like a comb or a tangle teaser, which is what I do use. And it's better for me to just stick. So accepting what my hair likes in terms of management. Then also styling. So I've always liked styling. But now with the Just My Hair challenge, I'd forced myself to be a lot more creative. So what I did was to be styling my hair once a week or once every 2 weeks. And obviously, you know, that one day where you really focus, you're doing the LCO method, you're styling your hair, you're putting it into something, is a lot of time, you know, but the next few days is freedom. You know, you don't have to twist and untwist, you don't have to moisturize. For me, for example, I can keep my hair moisturized. If I do it today, moisturize today, I don't need to moisturize again for at least a week, or sometimes about 10 days or so. So that's 10 days of freedom after one day, or not even a full day, but like 3-4 hours or so of styling the hair. So learning the tricks for my hair, what makes management for my hair easier. Then 4 was, okay, because the hair was styled already, it meant that my hair was mostly stretched. That means that when it comes to detangling, there's not as many knots for me. Now, I still love my shrinkage, and I like to see when I have a compact fro. So once or twice in these last 8 months, I have done like a nice compact short fro. But in general, by keeping it in updos and so on, it allows the hair to not have as much opportunity to get tangled. So detangling sessions are much faster, much less hassle, and yeah, much less a source of frustration. Number 5 was mini twists. So when I knew that I wasn't going to be as creative with my hair, I needed something to go a little bit more of the distance. I put it into mini twists. And mini twists with my own hair. So yeah, I think those are really the 5 things that have helped me to not be as frustrated with my natural hair as I was 6 months ago. Yeah. So now, this is now April 2019. The scissors will be put away for a while because 1, I'm enjoying being creative and seeing what styles I can come up with, and 2, I would like to have my own hair so that when I have my wedding, I can, speaking into the future, guys, I can use my own hair to style it. But yeah, so essentially, this video is how I've overcome my frustration with long natural hair. My goal is to get down to waist length. So that, I think, will probably take me another 4 years. I have 4 years worth of growth, just over 4 years worth of growth. So probably another 4 years all in all to get to waist length, knowing my own rate of hair growth. If I can hang in for a while, life should be good, yeah. That's about it. So are those tips helpful for you? Or if you have long natural hair, how have you managed to fight the urge to cut when it gets tedious with managing the hair? Do you actually have periods where you feel like, ugh, long natural hair is just not worth it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching once again. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. Tell everybody that you know. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.